Hey there, I'm Tariq and I've built hundreds of workflow automations for businesses and professionals to reduce manual work and save time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple AI work assistant that turns messy meeting notes, emails, or transcriptions into clean, structured output and summaries automatically. You don't need any technical skills at all. I'm going to be showing you everything step by step. Let me show you how this works. Here we have the automation. You just click on execute workflow and we get a simple web form over here. I'm just going to go get a transcript from here, which was generated by ChatGPT just for demo purposes. And I'm going to put it in here. Right, as you can see, we have it here. Submit. You can see the automation running. So now we have the AI that's got the response formatted. It created a new Google Doc and then now it's updated the text over there as well. So let's see what that looks like. Here we have it, meeting summary. And as you can see here, we have the summary, the action items, as well as decision and follow, right? So this is basically what the automation does. Now let me show you how to build this. So first you need to head over to n8n.io and sign up over there. I'll be sharing a link in the video description as well to my blog post that has all the links and all the steps written down, instructions, which will help you follow along rather than having to pause along this video. Right, so you head on to n8n.io, sign up, create an account, and once you signed up, you'll end up on a page similar to this, right? You hit create workflow. Once you are on here, you can go to the icon over here, the three dots, click on import from file and upload the file that you can download from my blog article. Right, so this is going to be a .json file. You don't need to know what JSON is. You can just directly download that file and upload it over here. Once you do that, you'll have the same workflow on your system as well. Now, once you have this set up, you will need to do two things to get your workflow to work right. First would be to set up your OpenAI API key, right? So you won't have this over here. You just have to click on the drop down, click on create a new credential, and you need to enter the API key. Right? How do you get this API key? You head to platform.openai.com, sign into your account, and head to API keys. Right? You click on create new secret key, put in a name, select default project, and you'll get the key. I'll have all the details mentioned in the written blog post as well. So you copy that, put it in here, and you'll have it set up for OpenAI. And now for Google Docs, to head to console.cloud.google.com and you'll be able to create a new credential from here. It's a very simple process. You can just follow along the blog instructions and you should be able to create it. And you go on here, OAuth client ID, application type web application, put in a name, or you could just leave it as is, and you would put in the callback URL from here. So you copy this and put it in here, redirect URIs and create. Once you click on create, you would have the API key, which you'd have the client ID and client secret, which you can paste it over here, and you can have this set up as well. Once you have that done, it should work immediately. Now for your prompts for the AI node, you will have two prompts over here, system prompt and user prompt. So I'll be sharing this as well on the blog article, and you can make changes to these prompts based off of your use case, right? You can make it say how many bullet points you want, or change it however you like based off of your requirements. And that's basically it. If you have any suggestions on what automation you'd like to see next, leave it down in the comments. Share this with anyone that might find it useful. I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.